This plant is appealing thanks to its versatile manufacturing design. Single, individually designed manufacturing islands are connected to each other by a common flow of material for fresh concrete and for the finished elements. This means that the most diverse products for industrial and residential construction can be produced in the same production hall. This design can be redefined at any time, according to market developments. This hydraulically adjustable column mould enables the manufacture of columns with foundation panels and brackets of varying cross-sections and lengths. The columns are concreted by a crane-guided concrete spreader with a rotating lifting mechanism. Pre-stressed beam supports are manufactured in a form specially moulded for this, with a hydraulic tensioning system for the reinforcing steel. The beams are released from their moulds by an overhead crane and are concreted by a crane-guided concrete spreader. The industrial product range is rounded off with pre-stressed TT slabs that are also produced in a stationary mould with tensioning equipment. A central runoff truck is available to transport all parts to their storage location. Concrete is supplied by the same crane-guided concrete spreader. The ribs are firstly concreted in a line, and then by turning the bucket, a flat, even application of concrete is achieved for the upper surface layer. Wall elements for residential construction are produced in a hydraulically movable battery mould with a heating and compaction system. This produces wall elements with high-quality smooth surfaces on both sides. Both conventional as well as self-compacting concretes can be handled. A concrete spreader specifically developed for this purpose fills the mould cleanly and precisely. Facades and floor slab elements are produced on tilting tables and on a production lane. Floor slab elements are produced on a stationary production lane, while the facade elements are produced on tilting tables. All of the formwork material for the production lane and tilting tables is stored on a movable magazine carriage. It is stored here temporarily after the precast concrete parts have cured and is taken directly from there to be used elsewhere. The demoulded facades, once released from their moulds, are conveyed on a transport frame to their storage location. Once the elements have been moulded, the reinforcement has been inserted and the built-in parts fitted, the elements are concreted by a concrete spreader and then compacted.